Hard when you got none. Cause I'm kind of salty. Cause
What's up,
I'm the
guys?
famous.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Lumin on fire. Today we're gonna be playing some boom. Let's get started. And I'm with my cousin Tavian. Make sure to watch Tavian is Blue.
Subway Surf. I wanted to do Subway Surf.
Oh, we're not gonna play Guns of Boom. We can play Subway Surfers.
And after Subway Surfer,
We're gonna play some Jamar to Dash.
People realize you took over my entire
Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash. Oh, you crazy.
Okay, so it's loading.
I'm playing with Mooperine toys right now. One of them. There's only Mooperine.
So,
Something going on. Maybe you're
crazy. I don't like these commercial things. They have viruses.
They give you virus?
Yeah.
They give you virus?
Butler will help you renovate. Beat match 3 levels full of unexpected twists to progress through a storyline.
Sorry about the
Complete different
commercial.
tasks and use a wide range of decor items.
Yeah, make sure to
create
watch your
your
Eye on
own
Fire,
garden.
Tavian's Blue, Monkey Lover 101,
Make friends with
and
amazing characters.
yeah.
Follow them on the social network and enjoy the company of a lovely, playful pup.
Gardenscapes. Forget Gardenscapes.
Yeah. So, whoever beats their high score.
What the heck?
Oh, that looks weird. Whoever beats their high score wins and on Geometry Dash 2. So it's the mean skin. I'm good at this game.
Everyone is good, except Baby.
Baby doesn't even know what he's doing.
I need to spell glow.
Oh, he's definitely not making you die on this one. No. I think he will this time. I'll tell you when the part is harder.
I could get like 1,000 points.
Oh, we might die on this part. It's kind of hard for me on this part.
Oh shoot!
Oh, I knew it!
Students started back working at night.
So it's mine.
When did I get a prize?
You got a surprise double.
Double.
Oh, no! This sucker, get off!
The Butler will help you renovate.
Only if you go like this,
Beat
it
match
could,
3
and then go back on Subway Surfers.
Okay, here you go.
There.
Nice. Let's go, stop loading. Look what you did.
Nothing. Well, I did do something. Bless you. Are you watching Logan? Oh yeah, make sure to watch Logan Paul, Jake Paul, Erica Costell, the Martinez twins, and let's get started.
Lucas and Marcus and stuff. Chance and Anthony.
Is Chance and Anthony's brother?
I don't know. I missed the coin there. No! Sucker.
I need to get this virus off.
Almost died.
Insurance forms you submitted.
Oh my god.
Did you pause it?
No. No.
Look at no things.
What the heck?
I don't like this virus. After he dies, we're gonna face Geometry Dad.
Geometry Dash.
Geometry. I don't know how to say geometry.
Geometry Dash.
Geometry Dash. Geometry Geometry. Oh, if he gets it, we get a special prize. He could do fuck with it. Oh, nice. I just need 5 more.
Yeah, Dan, it's ridiculous. Don't play this.
Oh! You didn't even get
Geometry Dash.
Geometry Dash.
Thank you. That's why I hope Jeremy seriously considers being your man.
Alright.
The procedure in marriage is Yeah, I know what it is. What miracles do you see by
This
the
one.
I read this really interesting article. I'm sorry, you read about it?
I tell you, that kind of news never gets any easier.
I think I could beat
Get
that.
back to the clinic.
Oh no.
That didn't count.
Do you need me to bring anything?
No, we're good. Thanks, Doc. See ya.
She's coming to your bar.
Look at Logan. Oh.
You know what?
Ah! 39%.
It's from your class.
Is
that Jake?
I thought I'd invite Cassandra.
What happened to him?
Is that
a prank.
at school?
About what? Is he gonna do to his brother?
Taking my own death prank. Crazy reaction. Oh, guys, I watched that prank. He pranked them that he got shot. Right?
I'm sorry, but tomorrow I can help you with.
That looks real. I thought it was real.
Alright. So.
I went to 49%.
40.
Yeah, that one. That
Ah.
She is getting.
Well, I guess you didn't get all your work done.
Insurance forms, the card. You started the blog post yet. Did you guys see?
Okay, let's do a different level.
Wait, when did they do this? Oh, June.
Start here. Let's start from the beginning.
Oh, I'm good at that one. I can even beat it.
I wish I could do something like that.
Oh no, I jumped at the wrong time. It's gonna pass. Pass.
Jeez, up top, kid.
I went to
Beast mode. I could beat that.
I think I could.
Oh, you can beat it. Woo! Level complete. Yeah, Machina. Oh, I like this one.
I cut it down.
Ah, freaking done.
Oh my gosh. Keep dying there. See? Keep dying there.
Alright, guys. So I think that's it for today.
No, Boom of Guns and Boom.
Guns of Boom? Okay, I think that's not done for today. We're gonna play Guns of Boom.
Then it's the last
And that's the last one. Then we're gonna end the video.
What the heck's going on here?
She's really pregnant.
Sorry.
Who is?
Erica?
Erica. No, that's a prank.
What is it?
Truck wagon.
Well, it won't work. Thought number one, you might want to replace those sticks
That's a
with
prank.
something a little straighter. Some fence rails, maybe. Even then, you can hook it up with power.
What's wrong with him? He fainted?
No, he got passed out because he thought that he was there. Erica was really pregnant.
Anywhere near
You watched that one?
Yeah, it's a prank.
On YouTube?
It's
These
a prank.
people are crazy.
No, they're pranking people on Team 10, not YouTube.
Oh.
Whoa.
Alright. Oh, battle found. Oh, okay. Construction site. Okay. Battle starts. Let's go.
Let's go.
Stupid idea in the first
Okay, stop now.
Oh, I see one. I see one.
Another, so, finish now.
Sorry, but you got an error in your
Nice shot.
Oh, shoot. He threw a bomb at me. Ryan.
Okay, it's my turn.
12 to
My
4.
turn.
Oh, 50
It's my turn.
Okay, hold on.
It's my turn, boy. It's my turn.
flying right out the back.
I see one.
So,
Watch this. 54-65. Wow.
George, you need that card for the barn anyway, so
I'm shoot these people.
back the way
The,
you want.
the blue one are your team. The red one are
I know.
not. Oh, 81 to 65 already. You can't jump. 81 to 77.
No, I know
don't want this one.
perfectly clear, but I don't think you realize how much fun it's
Yeah, you go.
Okay.
That's their lair. Oh, nice one. You killed him up top.
There's gonna be
147 to 70. Oh, behind you. Who's behind you? Who's behind you?
This sucker crazy.
Oh, he stabbed him. He stabbed me.
well, I have something.
Isaac!
Yeah!
Long time.
We'll be right back. Me and Taven are making a YouTube video.
Man, you said other people are making videos. Man, if you hear me in the background, they're making another video. Remember you guys were playing Freddy?
Oh. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment. Peace!